Hello everyone, welcome to Easy English with Valli. Today let us learn a simple English conversation between a customer and a shopkeeper. If you want to buy a notebook, ruler, pencil, sharpener or colors, where should you go? Very good, to a stationery shop. Let us move to the next slide to learn shop conversation. Imagine that you have reached the shop. You are the customer and the shopkeeper welcomes you. Good morning. Can I help you? Yes, please. I need some notebooks. How many notebooks do you want? I want 3 notebooks, please. Do you want ruled or plain notebooks? I want ruled notebooks, please. Anything else? Yes, I need some pencils, please. Would you like some pens too? Yes, please. I need 2 pens. How much should I pay? You should pay rupees 100. Did you enjoy the conversation? Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep speaking. Please like, share and subscribe. Easy English with Valli. Let us meet in the next lesson. Thank you.